Hi, eighth grade band. I am here to give you your assignment for Tuesday. Happy week 3. Hope you guys are all doing great with week 3 of digital learning. Hopefully, you're not getting too overwhelmed. Okay, distance learning, new folder, orange. Should have been on it yesterday. New assignment folder, this time it's pink. And then, I'm going to drag this guy up to the top, but here is our assignment for Tuesday, April 14th. Let's take a look, see what we got. Man, that took a while to load. Sorry about that. First off, Sight Reading Factory, log in and complete the next assignment. This will be due at the end of the day on Tuesday, April 14th. Remember that you are supposed to be doing Sight Reading Factory and Smart Music on the daily. Okay? Make sure that you're doing both. Okay? They are both worth points in the gradebook. For Smart Music, we are continuing in Standard of Excellence. Okay, you are assigned page 21, number 94 and 96. Okay, 94 will have 2 assignments in Smart Music because it's set up as a duet. It has an A part and a B part. Okay, so let's actually go over those right now. I have number 94 pulled up. Okay, this is part A. Unfortunately, it doesn't have them like it does in the blue book. If you want to pull out your blue book to see that duet, that might be really helpful for you. But in Smart Music, there are 2 separate numbers. Okay, but 94A would be the A part. Okay, and this is a rhythm we've seen before. It's just 16th notes. Okay, note your key signature before you play. This is the trumpet. Clarinets will also have the same key signature, but every other instrument will be slightly different than this. But make sure that you check your key signature before you play. Okay, if you have 4 16th notes, remember that the way we count 16th notes are 1E and a 2E and a 1E and a 2E and a. Okay, so your rhythm is 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 2. I guess that, sorry, excuse me, we're in 2/4 time, so it'd be 1E and a 2E and a 1E and a 2. 1E and a 2E and a 1E and a 2. Okay, and really listen to the metronome. If it's too fast for you and you can't tone that fast, slow the metronome down. You should be able to still submit the assignment. Okay. Now 94B introduces a new rhythm, unless you're a percussionist. A percussionist learned this rhythm in 6th grade, but the rest of you are learning it right now. Speaking of which, I went to percussion. Oh, that's because I'm on 94. Sorry, clicked on the wrong one. Loading, 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 loading. There we go. Okay. Okay, now we're on the flute part. Okay. We got all sorts of instruments. You can have whatever instrument you want, but we're on the flute part right now. Okay. Just changed randomly for me. That was kind of fun. Anyway, this has 8th note and 16th note combinations. Okay. So if you look right here where my mouse is, that is an 8th note because it's only got a single bar. Then we're followed by 2 16th notes, and we know those are 16th notes because they have the double bar. Okay. So the way that we do that is we take our 16th note, which is 4 counts, and we're going to combine the first 2 counts. So we're left with 1 and a. 1 and a. The E is in there, but it's connected to the 1. So you're not going to be articulating that. Okay. It's still there, but we're not articulating it. Articulating that. So your rhythm is 1 and a 2 and a 1 and a 2. Okay. The 8th note should be longer than the 16th notes. Okay. Then we have 2 16th notes. You can tell by the double bar. These are 2 16th notes followed by a single 8th note. Okay. So that's we're doing the opposite. Okay. 1 and the E are left alone. You're playing 1 E and, but the is combined with the and. 1 E and. I can't physically hold my fingers together like that. Anyway, it would be 1 E and 1 E and. Okay. 1 E and 2 E and 1 E and 2. Okay. So that is your rhythm as we're going through, as we're descending here. Okay. Now let's go take a look at number 96. Okay. We're skipping number 5. We're just going to do 96. Plus 95 had a yucky key signature, so you all should be thanking me for that. Yeah, that's right. Okay. But the number 96 uses both the rhythms that we just worked on. Actually, all three of the rhythms. We have 4/16 notes like we do in the A part, 1E and A. And then we have the combination of eighth note and 16th note. Okay. Single eighth note followed by two 16th notes. 1 and 2 and A. Okay. Then the next measure, we have that two 16th notes followed by an eighth note, and then a single eighth note followed by two 16th notes. 1E and 2 and A. Okay. Um, so it uses all three of those rhythms and puts them into the context. This is called Big Rock Candy Mountain, which is an American folk song. And it kind of puts that all into context. Okay. Plus, look at this key signature. Pretty nice. Okay. So those are our rhythm focuses for today. Please let me know if you have any questions. I am always here for you guys if you need a little extra help. So just reach out to me and I'll be happy to assist you. Hope you have a great Tuesday, and we will talk to you again on Thursday. Bye.